Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how the Unvired Maintenance AI Genie agent uses large language models to analyze long text in SAP notifications to suggest failure modes and damage codes to assist the technician to close notifications. To begin, launch the EAM application and log in using your valid credentials. Once logged in, tap on the notification module in the dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of available notifications associated with your user. Select any notification from the list whose status is not NOCO, notification completed, meaning it is still pending or in progress. You can also search for notifications by notification number, text, notification type, or priority. This is the notification I'll be using for this demonstration. Here you can see the detailed description. The users were added over a period of time. Based on these, AI Genie agent can suggest failure modes and damage codes. Remember, the more data and detailed descriptions you maintain, the more accurate the suggestions will be. After completing a work order, the associated notification should be marked as complete, and the required items, such as object parts, damage codes, and cost codes, should be added manually. To do this, go to the Items tab. Here, select Add Item. Now select a code and code groups for object parts, damage, and cause. Save the details once done. Alternatively, I can ask the AI Genie agent for suggestions. It will take a few seconds to generate codes and code groups based on the notification's detailed description. Here are the failure mode suggestions provided by the AI Genie. You can either accept the suggestions if they're correct or modify them if they are incorrect. If you have modified any of the suggestions given by the AI Genie, you can give your feedback in this section. The system captures your feedback, which helps in training the agent for better results. Now, tap Save to make the changes. Another scenario where we will use AI Genie is while closing the notification directly. In the top right corner, you'll find the Close Notification option. Tapping it will display a pop-up with three choices: Close with Genie Agent, No, and Yes. If you select No, the changes will not be updated. If you select Yes, the notification will be completed with the existing changes. If you choose Close with Genie Agent, the system will take a few seconds to analyze the data and suggest codes and code groups for the failure mode. Again, you can either accept or modify the suggestions provided by the AI Genie. After adding the items, simply tap Sync to push the data to SAP. As you've seen, AI Genie streamlines the process of adding failure modes and damage codes, saving time and improving accuracy. By leveraging detailed descriptions and user feedback, the agent continuously learns and enhances its suggestions. This ensures that your data is consistent and your processes are more efficient. Contact us today for a live demo and experience the power of AI Genie.